Hello everyone. So in this video, we will study topic Introduction to Computers. Myself, Professor S.S. Nikam from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. Classification of computers. So computer can be classified by nature, by purpose, and by size. By nature, computers can be classified as a analog computer, digital computers, and hybrid computers. Here, hybrid computers is combination of analog computers and digital computers. Digital computers. So digital computers use digits, especially binary digits, zeros and ones, to represent data. Examples, personal computers such as laptops and desktops, etc. Analog computers. So analog computers use physical magnitudes as a voltage and pressure instead of digits. Examples, thermometers, voltmeters, speed measuring meters, etc. Hybrid computers. So hybrid computers are nothing but combination of both analog and digital computers. Example, a computer that maintain temperature in a burner of a production plant. Classification of computer by purpose. So by purpose, computers can be classified as a special purpose computers and general purpose computers. Special purpose computers. So special purpose computers designed for a special job only. Examples, computers used in digital watches, pocket calculators, point of sales, etc. General purpose computers are designed to solve wide variety of problems. Example, a personal computer used in an office or at home. Mainframe computer is a large computer system which consists of thousands of ICs and is physically distributed in more than one place. Some of the features of mainframe computers are: it is designed for high volume and processor intensive computational tasks. Mainframe computer is generally shared by multiple users connected to the computer through several terminals. Mainframe computer is very expensive. Example of mainframe computers is UNIVAC 1100 series and UNIVAC 2200 series. Mainframe computer is mostly used by large organizations like bank, railways, hospitals, etc. Mini computer. Mini computer is a smaller and slower version of mainframe computer. Some of the features of mini computers are: it is a small digital computer, less costly compared to mainframe computer. It is able to process and store less data compared to mainframe computer, but more than a microcomputer. Mini computer is designed to serve multiple users simultaneously. Examples of mini computer is HP 3000 series. Mini computer is used by small organization and research centers. Due to invention of design of microcomputers was possible. Some of the features of microcomputers are small in size, low cost, single user machine. An example of microcomputer is nothing but IBM PC series and Apple Macintosh. Microcomputers include desktop, laptop, palm-top, workstations, servers, and tablet PC. Supercomputer. Supercomputer is the most powerful computer available in current time. Some of the features of supercomputers are: very powerful computer, very costly, very fast performance by using multiprocessing parallel processing technique. Supercomputers can perform complex scientific calculations quickly, thus are used in areas like satellite launching, nuclear research, weather forecasting. These computers can process a great deal of information and extensive calculations very fast. Supercomputer can resolve complex mathematical equations very quickly. Example of supercomputers are Cray-1, CDAX, Param. A computer system can be a small or a big system, but it includes the following four subsystems. First, hardware, second, software, then data and people. Hardware, the physical devices that make up the computers are called hardware. The basic hardware units are keyboard, mouse, memory, CPU, monitor, and printer. Software. The term software refers to a set of programs and instructions that help the computers in carrying out their processing. There are mainly two types of software, that is application software and system software. Data. Data refers to the raw facts and pieces of information that is usually entered into the computer system by the user so as to generate the desired output. The data are presented in the form understandable by the computer. Depending on the requirement, data can be presented in two forms. First one, qualitative data, and second, quantitative data. What is computer? The word computer is derived from word compute. Some of the definitions of computers are: a computer can be considered as an electronic device that can accept the information, store the information, process the information based on the instructions provided by user, and finally return the result to the user. Another definition of computer could be: a computer is an automatic machine made up of electronic and electromechanical devices which process the data. Various parameters helps determine the type of technology used in designing the computer. That is, the parameter can be cost, performance, storage capacity, type of use, etc. Simple workflow of computer, that is input process output model. So this input process output model consists of three basic building blocks, that is input, process and output. So computer input is called data and the output obtained after processing it based on the user's instruction is called information. Raw fact and figures which can be processed using arithmetic and logical operations to obtain information are called data. The process that can be applied to data are of two types. First, arithmetic operations. So examples include calculations like addition, subtraction, differentials, square root, etc. Second, logical operations. Examples include comparison like greater than, less than, equal to, etc. Block diagram of computer. So block diagram of computer consists of different basic building blocks. So we will study different basic building blocks one by one. First, input unit. So devices like keyboard and mouse that are used to input data and instructions to the computer are called input unit. Then output unit. Devices like printer and visual display unit that are used to provide information to the user in desired format are called output unit. Then control unit. As the name suggests, this unit controls all the functions of the computer. All devices or parts of a computer interact through the control unit. Arithmetic and logical unit. This is the brain of the computer where all arithmetic operations and logical operations take place. Memory. All input data, instructions and data entering to the processor are stored in the memory. Memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory resides within the CPU, whereas secondary memory is external to it. Control unit, arithmetic and logical unit, and memory are together called the central processing unit or CPU. Computer devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. that we can see and touch are the hardware component of a computer. The set of instructions or programs that make the computer function using these hardware parts are called software. We cannot see or touch software. Both hardware and software are necessary for working of a computer. Features or characteristics of computer. So some of the features or characteristics of the computer system are speed. Computer can perform several millions of operations per second, so it is very fast. Accuracy. Computer is capable of performing calculations up to the extent of 64 decimal accuracy. This increases the accuracy of the computer. Storage. Computer is capable of storing large volume of information. Decision making. Computer is capable of making decision based on set of instructions or information provided to it. Reliability. Computers can carry out same type of work repeatedly without throwing up errors due to tiredness, which are very common among humans. Versatility. Computers can carry out wide variety of work from data entry and ticket booking to complex mathematical calculations. If you can input the necessary data with correct instructions, computer will do the processing.